Regarding whatever project we are working on, to show the things in an easy manner, so that the stakeholders or the people, those who are in the project, involved in the project, they'll be able to understand it easily, and we can make proper decisions.
Okay. So we do also have Power BI, right? So then why we require of this Tableau?
Sir, in that case, both are being used. I do not have so much idea, but right now, currently in the industry, I guess Power BI is most used, but Tableau is also there in use.
Okay. So what is the main thing here happens here is instead of, also we have both options like Power BI and Tableau, but Power BI cannot handle huge data. The only difference here is although both are visualization tools, but Power BI will not have a storage capacity of huge data, and Power BI is not that much fast as Tableau. That's a major difference between both the tools. So the data cannot handle the huge data cannot handle by the Power BI, as well as the speed of the application will not that much good in Power BI. That both things we have an advantage in this Tableau here. Fine. Have you got the difference?
Yes, sir.
So the major difference between Power BI and Tableau here is one is speed, one more is capacity. Fine. Next, who can use the Tableau means the one who has pretty good knowledges on data. The one who has pretty good knowledges on the data. They can easily access this Tableau and they can work on the reports. So in Power BI, very basic level of knowledges will be there, right? Very basic level of knowledges. They can access the Power BI and they can visualize the data. But if you want to access the Tableau, you require a good knowledges on the data. Clear? So can anyone say what is the data visualization means?
So data visualization is a representation of maps, charts for taking decisions.
Representation of what? Your business or what kind of things?
So
Representation of data.
That's what. Which data? Business data or what kind of data?
So, sir, data which is present in tables and columns, like that data mostly represents the sale or production or total number of purchases or anything. So that data present in the represented in a visual form like charts and bar graphs, etc.
So data visualization is a visual representation or creation and study of the visual represented data. So as I said, numerical data may be encoded using dots, lines, bar, visually communicating, and quantity to message. Anything it might be. Okay. So that's a communicate information clearly and efficiently using graphs, plots, statistical graphs, etc. Clear? Have you got the definition of what is data visualization means? So it is a visual representation or creation of a business what you have with you. Okay. Clear? Data visualization means?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we do have different types of Tableau versions. So Tableau desktop. So you can see Tableau desktop, Tableau server, Tableau online, Tableau reader, Tableau public. These are all the features of Tableau which the availability there in real time. These are the different products which are available in real time. So if you want Tableau desktop, you have to get a pro version by paying some subscription amount. If you want to get Tableau desktop version, you have to pay some amount to get that. But if you want to access Tableau public, it doesn't require any of the amount. It's a free version. So these are the explanations have been made for everything. So now we see the difference between Tableau and Power BI. So in Power BI, you can have only one dimensional analysis. Only data analysis expression we will do in Power BI. In Power BI, we can do only data analysis expressions. But in Tableau, we do multi-dimensional expressions. In Tableau, we will be doing multi-dimensional expression. Like for suppose, we have a data with you. Like which kind of a data it means? Like financial data we can take. Okay. In financial data, we'll be having sale, profit, and we do have some more informations, right? So sale, profit, loss, gross sale, discount band, right? These are the things we'll be having. Yes or no? Guys, is my voice is audible to you or?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's audible.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So if you want to make
yes, sir.
this all in a column, like generally what exactly happens in Power BI, if you update your data into the Power BI, you can't change rows as a column as a row. In Power BI, if you want to make a changes, like for suppose gross sale, profit, loss, discount band, these are all the things if you see in a report, it will be in a column wise, right? Not in row wise. Yes or no? So by using this Tableau, if you want to visualize row as a column as a row, that also you can do here in Tableau. That's called multi-dimensional expressions. So this is only data analysis expression you can do, but here in Tableau, you can select multiple things and also you can visualize that. So while explaining the tool, I'll explain you what is a multi-dimension means. So Tableau can handle huge column of data and still offer better performance. But Power BI is best for limited volume of data, which we have been discussed already in first slide. So Tableau has better data visualization. Power BI offers many data points for data visualizations. So Tableau works best with huge data. Power BI is a suboptimal with huge data. That means more data cannot be handled by Power BI. So experts and experienced users use Tableau. Power BI used by the beginners and experienced persons. Clear? Have you got the difference between Tableau and Power BI? So Tableau
Yes.
will always show you multi-dimensional expression, but Power BI it can show only data analysis expression only. It can't show any other dimensions. Only it can show what is the dimensions available with the Power BI. So features of Tableau which you see here, it's very easy to utilize. You don't have to familiar with programming of any sort of, like for suppose generally if you want to use a Excel, so you should require pivot table and calculations things and everything, right? But to use this Tableau, you don't require those all the things. It's just you require a small few sets of a data to visualize. And Power BI and Tableau both are drag and drop options. Sorry, not Power BI. Tableau is a drag and drop option. Power BI you have to select manually. The data sets whatever you have with you in a sheet, that you have to select manually in Power BI. But in Tableau, you can't take it any manually. You have to drag and drop all the options. Manual process has been completely neglected here. Only drag and drop. Just select the particular field which you want to visualize and drag it and drop it in a worksheet. So those are the options which is available in Tableau. Clear? So these are the strengths of the Tableau: speed, ease of use, beautiful and interactive dashboard, direct connections, easy publishing and sharing. So presently growing market can handle this Tableau. So what are the weaknesses we have with Tableau here is, these are the points you can see here. So a not comprehensive solution specializes in Power BI. So no predictive analytical capabilities will be there. Customization integration with other apps will not be happen here. Expandability for analyticals, social media integration, robust enterprise class security. These all the things will not be provided with a free version of a Tableau. So these all can be done in pro version. That means if you take Power BI desktop, there you will be getting security as well as the data cannot be shared publicly in Power BI desktop. If you install Power BI Tableau desktop, you'll never have any such kind of options where your data will be loose or others cannot be also access your data in Tableau desktop. But in Tableau public, any other person can access your system, and without any security he can directly access with your data which you have been visualized.
Can you just show the strength once?
Strength. Speed will be there. Ease of use. There is no complex thing required here. A beautiful and interactive dashboard. Direct connection will be there, like databases, cubes, data warehouse. Like if you have any source data from other sources like SQL, Azure, okay, from there also you can connect directly and you can grab your data which you require. Clear? Is that fine? Easy publishing and sharing will be there. Growing market. Present trend can be used this Tableau. So these are the weaknesses which is there in Tableau public. These are the weaknesses will be there in Tableau public, but in Tableau desktop version you'll be having security and everything. So now these are the two things which have been clearly explained you here. What is the difference between Tableau desktop and Tableau public? Okay, you'll be getting this PPT presentation once we are done with the session. So this PPT will be shared with you. You can easily go here and you can see the differences between Tableau desktop and Tableau public. So as I said, Tableau public is free version. You can use this anywhere you require. So Tableau desktop is always available only for commercial usage purpose. Okay. So here I've been clearly given you the link as well as and everything. So you can directly go and click here and you can get install your public Tableau. Okay. So clear instructions have been clearly given here with the step-by-step process. Okay. So you can take it from here and you can install it in your desktop. Clear?
Sir, please once again, sir, please show me.
After this, I have been given you the clear instructions how to install your Tableau in your system. If you go in this slide, I've been mentioned link also here. So just click on this link. You'll be getting an public Tableau dashboard. So from there, you can enter your email address and you can download the application. So these are the steps.
Sir, PPT.
Yes.
Sir, PPT on you sent on WhatsApp.
Not on WhatsApp, through your mail IDs. You have been given your registered mail IDs, right?
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
So these are the things which have been explained clearly. So first you'll be having menu bar. Later on you'll be having toolbar icon. So next dimension page will be there. Okay. In dimensions, it shows all the main part like order, customer name, segment, order date, order ID, shipment date. So this is the dimensions which it shows, and it shows the measures also, like what is the discounts, profits. If you given any profit prices or profits or losses, whatever you have, that will be shown in measures itself. Okay. So sets and parameters self will be there. In parameters, you can show the profit bin source, what kind of profits are being given, everything you can get it from this parameters. So here you will be having a filter shelf if you want to change the color, or if you want to resize the shape or any kind of things you want, you can get it from this mark sheet or mark card. From this mark card, you can get it all the things whatever you required. So this is what a menu bar, toolbar, dimension shelf, marks card, measure shelf, sets and parameter shelf. So Tableau repository. If you save any document while done with the visualization, so it will goes to your C folder, users, user, documents, my Tableau repository. This is the file path where it will be stored your all information. So if you want to change this, so if you want to change that, you can change the repository from your used files to the store all Tableau files. Like you can store the bookmarks, connectors, logs, data source, whatever you have doing now or whatever you have done previously, whichever the data source it might be, those all the things will be stored at this C users files itself. If you want to find any path file what you have been already worked means, you can directly go to your C file, users, user, documents, my Tableau repository. This is the file path location where you can access and you can get your data whenever you required. So this is the parameters like profit bin size, top customers. These all the things will be having separate parameters. Clear? So this is what exactly the data will be shown here. Dimensions, regions and sub-regions. This all comes under data dimensions itself. Measures. It shows population ages from 15 to 64, population ages from 65. So whatever the data you show, okay, that already divides into two parts, dimensions as well as measures. So if I want to give this measures as a column name, now I want to give this measures as a column name, just I drag it and I'll place in columns. If I make this country name, region, sub-regions into the rows, so I can simply drag it from here on, I can place it in a rows. So you can see here in measure names. So what are the countries we have? Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria. These are the things you have been seen here. This all comes under column name, right? Country name. So let us have some small data. Like I do have a small data with me, like financial sample document I have. Let us go through the Tableau tool. Let me explain you how to grab the data from your source files and what are the options you have from this Tableau. Everything let us see now. Meanwhile, if you have any doubts, you can ask.
Sir, sorry to interrupt.
One by one.
That on the Tableau, on that Tableau tool, if we selected the rows and column names, so whatever the data which we see, like number of countries, names, or anything, that data is already available into this tool.
That's what the data which you have for visualizations, that you have to upload first.
Okay, so we need to extract from somewhere else.
Yes.
Into Tableau first.
Yes.
And after that, we, according to our requirements, we need to visualize.
Like for suppose in rows you have country discount band. Okay. So now if I want to change this row as a column, that means country discount band, I want to make it as a row. I can do that. If I want to make it as a column, that also I can do that. I'll show you. Just give me 1 second.
Okay.
There was one more.
Vamsi, this is Adipati.
Yes, Adipati.
Vamsi, this is Adipati from Pune.
Yes.
Is this class continuation of the BA course?
It's not the continuation, it's a different thing. If I don't give the difference between Power BI and Tableau, you will be get confused first.
Okay. So like, okay. So this is a new session, right? So from today onwards.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So this will be for 3 hours, right? This session.
Max it is 3, but 2 hours it will be there.
Okay.
So Umesh here.
Yes, Umesh.
Just wanted to know, as an BA, at which level we normally use Tableaus and these softwares? Like as an end user, I'm using this Tableau for sales things. We generate the reports from Tableau. But as an BA, when we require this kind of softwares, is it that we need these softwares to show the final results to the stakeholders?
Okay. Before answering your question, let me ask one thing. Can you say the full form of BA?
Business analyst.
So what exactly we do in our projects?
See, basically, we are a mediator in between the stakeholder and software team.
So we do analysis part only, right? Analysis, right?
Right.
Analysis means what analysis we are doing?
So maybe
analysis,
what?
Right?
Right.
So we do document analysis and we will extract the information and we will communicate with tech team, right?
Right.
In this place, does anywhere we are using any Power BI, Tableau, or any kind of thing?
No.
Right.
Right.
So these tools which we are going on SQL, Power BI, Tableau will always ask to buy a company called product-based company.
Okay.
Service-oriented companies will never ask you about this.
Okay.
Okay. Because in product-based companies, there we have to handle the data as well as the business, right? So the mindset of the product-based companies will be like, why I have to pay for 2 people instead of I can pay for 1. So for example, if a service-based company hiring a person for business analysis part separately as well as for reports generating separate, one person has been hired. Okay. For a BA, they might pay 5-6 lakhs per annum. And for the person who is generating the reports, if they are getting salary of 6 lakhs, how much total per year? 12 lakhs.
12.
Right?
Right.
So now what product-based company will think is, instead of paying 6 for each, I can pay for a single person 8 lakhs. I can do the both things.
Right. Right.
So how much is saved? 4 lakhs has been saved, right? This is what exactly the ideology behind the product-based companies.
Okay. So to support these BAs, we should have these kind of software knowledge.
Just a basic, not in-depth of things. And to be frank, nowhere I haven't used these tools as of now.
Okay. Because sir, we got the mail from COEPD for the new openings, where we we are seeing that in JDs it is written that these
what is the projects they are accepting?
Projects in the sense job description and all. They generally ask for
job description. The companies will be mentioning for which projects they are working, right? Like what kind of thing it is.
Right.
So if you search that particular company in a Google, directly it shows what kind of projects they're accepting. Product-based company or service-oriented company will be getting there itself.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay. So by seeing after that only we can fix that. Okay, how if they require these tools, how much they require, whether it's a in-depth knowledge or basic knowledge or what kind of, like what we say like intermediate or else a degree kind of knowledge, which kind of a thing they require, they'll be saying you in the JD itself, right?
Right, right.
So by that we can understand easily. So whether we can go with that or not, or whether we can sustain with that or not.
Okay.
Because in depth of knowledge, if we require, then why we come here?
Right, right.
Right? Any
Right,
more?
sir.
Any more doubts?
Could
No,
you
no.
please give me examples of product-based companies and service-based companies? Which companies like examples?
Microsoft, Oracle, right? They have their own databases with them and they have their own budgets with them, right? Yes or no?
Correct.
And coming to the service-based,
Yes, sir.
Infosys, TCS, Tech Mahindra, clear?
Clearly.
Got it? So this will be the front page. The moment you open your Tableau tool, okay, so you'll be having here which kind of files you want to access. So Microsoft Excel, text file, JSON file, Microsoft Access, PDF file, spatial file, statistical file. So if you want to get any access with any database, okay, any server if you are, you can click on this more. If you have any servers with you, you can just click on this more option. So Google Sheet, Google Drive, OData, Web Data Connector. Okay, so these are the other 4 things which installed connectors can be accessed. Clear? So presently I have an Excel file with me. That's why I go with Microsoft Excel. So the moment I click there, it will be asked me to select the file. So as I said, I have a financial sample. So I'm opening that financial sample here. Okay. So the moment I select the file, it will take some time to understand how many rows or how many data is available, and then only it will show you the data. Depending on the data file which you have, it will take that much time. If you have a less data with you, then meanwhile only it will open. If you have large data with you, it will take some time to open.
Sir, can you showcase that file, sir? What exactly you have mentioned in it?
My file name here have been shown is financial sample.
Okay.
So basically we are extracting the file from our partner.
Yes.
Here.
Presently, I don't have any server.
Or uploading.
I don't have any servers, right?
Okay.
So this is the Tableau homepage, sir.
Yeah. So it read my all the file and it shows your data consisting of 16 fields and 700 rows. It has read my entire sheet and it's showing me that you have 16 fields and 700 rows. Clear? Got it?
Fields is nothing but columns.
Yes. Just give me one moment. I'll show you the sheet here itself. Okay.
Sir, you were using the version as public.
Yes, it's my public Tableau public. You can see here. Okay. So this is the dimensions which you have been seeing. The country, date, discount band, month name, month number, product, segment, year, measure names. So these are the measures which I have: COGS, discounts, gross, manufacturing price, profit, sale price, sales, unit sold, latitude generated, longitude generated, sheet 1. So these are the other fields which doesn't be required. Okay, these are the things which is showing in a empty files also. So this we doesn't require this. So till unit sold we required. So now, for example, I want to make this country as a row. So I have been dragged and dropped the country here. Okay, so now it shows in a row, right? The country. So now it is in a column way, right? Are you able to see this?
Muted. Sir, sorry, I have a I have just a doubt.
Yes.
Okay, so this sessions keep happening, right? So even if we are not able to complete it today, I can again join in, right, for this session?
Yes.
Okay.
Every month we do have a awareness sessions. No need to worry. And this session is recording. The moment we complete this session.
Okay, every
tomorrow
month
you'll
we
be
have
get-
these sessions,
yes,
right?
Every month we have this.
Okay.
Okay, clear? So now I want make this dimensions as a measure, and this measures as a dimension I want to change. Okay, so now what I do, I have made country as a row, and the discount band also I want to make it as a row.
Sir, whatever you are selecting, that comes automatically, right, sir?
Yeah, that's what. I didn't get any data. Just I've been click on my worksheet. Okay, from this.
Right, sir.
sheet,
As soon as you extract it,
Yes.
software is able to automate it, and then you can easily like arrange it however you want to.
Yes, that's what I said.
Okay, sir. Okay.
If you want to use this Power BI or Tableau, you should have some set
Right, sir.
of data with you to visualize. If it doesn't have any
Right,
data
sir. Right,
with you, then you can't utilize this.
Right,
It
sir.
might be any kind of 5 row, 5 columns also you can visualize.
Got it, sir.
Clear? So now,
Yes, sir.
product. So these 3 things I want to make it as a row. So now you can see I've been made a row, right? So Canada, France, Germany, Mexico, United States of America. So these are the countries which I have with me. So you can see it shows high, low, medium. So discount band. Okay. Clear. Discount band also it shows high, low, medium automatically. I haven't made any changes here, right? So just I have been drag and dropped this discount band here, right? So once again you can see. So I've removed my discount band. Now you can see there is no high, low, medium. So automatically it shows high, low, medium, right? Got it?
Yes.
So now if I want this discounts, I'll make it as a column. So it shows discounts now, right? Sum of discounts which is provided. So it's a product of Amarilla. So this is the medium discount where they have been provided. So that means high band of discounts they have been provided. It's also high. So first, all the things it shows high. So next, it comes under low. On low prices, what they have been provided. So the low discount they have been provided is 2,107. It's a month wise, right? So if you want a month wise, so now you can see it's a month wise, right? Clear? So in 1 year, Amarilla has been got highest discounts on January, and Feb also it's got highest, on March also it's got highest. April month the discount was also high, right? But coming to the Caratra, this is the second product which they have been sold. So it started from high itself when it compares to others. So now if you don't like this all the charts, if I want this particular thing, so now I'm implementing this report here, okay? So it's taking some time to load. So this is one type of a visualization I can use, or else if you want this bar chart or pie charts, so it's a map kind of a thing, Google map, right? Germany, France, Canada, United States of America, Mexico. So again here, Germany, Canada. So month wise, whichever has been made high profits, it shows first, right? So this is the visualization you can do. If you want to change the visualization, again you can select any other thing. So now I want to view this pie chart, okay? So every option is a drag and drop. So it will take some time to refresh the data.
Sir, you're not audible actually.
I'm not speaking anything. So this is one more report which I can use it. So it directly shows so discount bands. Okay. So here in this we have been provided 109. So in the same way, if you want to see the profits, so profit was minus 18,664. In January month, Amarilla has got profits of -18. So discounts, they have been provided high, due to which they have been gone to minus. Then in Montana, there they have got profits of 91,328 rupees in January. So here they have got 14.841. Here they got 1,286. Right? So this is how you can start checking with all the things. Like if you want to get a sales price, along with this we'll be getting a sale price also, 125 rupees, 350 rupees, 300, 15, 125, 350, 300, 15. Again you can come here, it's a sale price of 7. So in the same way, yes.
Sir, is that MS Visio also like Power BI and Tableau like that, sir? MS Visio.
MS Visio.
Yes.
From where you got MS Visio as a...
No, I saw in the requirements, sir. That's it.
MS Visio will be used for visualization, okay, not the report generation. There you will do use case diagrams and activity diagrams, okay, by using MS Visio tool. Clear? Is this clear? Why use MS Visio?
Yes.
So, is there anyone having doubt?
Sir, is there any separate session on MS Visio?
MS Visio, the moment you complete your theoretical sessions, before they end the session, they have been explaining you all the tools, right?
They explained it, but they told us they will give a separate session on that.
Separate session. May I know which location you are from?
Mumbai.
Mumbai. So once try contacting, reaching to your student coordinator.
Sorry?
Once can you try contacting your student coordinator?
Okay.
Okay. As of now, I don't have any idea about the batch regarding a tool session on MS Visio. Okay. So if they have anything, they will be updating you there itself. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
And one more thing, we have been advised that we'll be getting that pro access for MS Visio. We haven't received any application.
See, I guess that is not. This is not the right time to speak all the things. If you have any concerns, you can reach out to the student coordinator. I can't help you, right? I can say you the only option, that is, if still they are not able to rectify that, I guess you all got some information about escalation wing and everything, right? So no. Do you have any idea about escalation wing? Hello.
So actually, in the login credentials, we have right side, we have a feedback column. We have to share the.
Yes.
Sir, apart from that, in this two queries, sir, we have generated these reports. If we want to share to someone else, how can we share, sir?
So can directly go for file. Okay. First, you have to save that. Okay. So let us save. Just give me 1 second. I'm stopping my screen.
Okay.
Hello.
Sir, meanwhile, one more query, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, actually, now we have extracted this file from our local system.
Yes.
So in real time, if there is a server, the data is in a database. Do we require any commands or any language to retrieve the data?
Just you have to give the server number.
Okay, server number is enough.
Server ID will be there, right?
Yes, sir. Server ID will be there.
That is enough.
Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, this in cloud computing like the Azure, DevOps, like those are also these servers kind of things, sir.
Yes, yes. They'll be
Because
having a server with them. You have to get that server number and you have to enter that server number into this. Then you can get
the same they will save data, sir. In the the data will be saved from from there.
There they'll be writing some programming, right? This
Oh.
Tableau itself read all the things and they will get the data sets from them. We don't need to give anything. The Tableau itself manage all the things.
Okay.
So if you want to get new data source, you can click on this option which you're seeing here. This is for saving purpose. This option you can use it for getting the new data source. So if you want new worksheet, or else if you want any duplicate sheets, you can also create from here. If you want to clear the whole sheet, you can clear from this. Okay. Let me sign in.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, for any domain, this is the common, right, sir? For the BA, because some banking domain, healthcare domain, financial, so many domains are coming these days.
Yes.
So for all, this is the common for all,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Okay.
See, the moment you sign into the Tableau, okay, so it's taking time. Let me help you step by step process. So the moment you save your file, which you have been worked out, okay. So then click on save as. The moment you click on save as, okay, the moment you click on save as, you'll be getting an information like data extract required. Okay, you'll be getting an error message.
So where is this? We are not able to see on the screen.
That is not available here. That's what I'm making you help here. It's not saving.
Okay.
I don't have any account here. So now I'm going to do that, but it's taking a lot of time, right? Instead of waiting you for this much time, so I'm explaining you a step-by-step process, like what exactly you can do. So first, we have to save the file. The moment you click on save as, it shows an error message that data extract required. So you have to first extract the data, then only you can start sharing your data. So there you have to press yet OK. The moment you got error message, there you have to press OK. The moment you click on S or OK, then you have to right click on sample superstore at top of left corner and select extract data. So the moment we sign in, we'll be having an option called here. In this things only we'll be getting an option to publish our data. The moment we have been signed in, okay, then we'll be getting this option here. So if I'm trying to save also, it shows the same sign in required. And there is one instruction which have been forgotten. So sometimes what exactly happens is in Tableau public, okay, in some rare cases what exactly happens is we might not get any option for publishing sometimes. Although we have been done all the process and everything, some rare cases we will not get an option for publishing. So in that case, what we can do is we can take a screenshot of the data and we can share. In some rare cases, it happens, not on all the scenarios. In some rare cases, you will not provided any option with publish or else share. Some rare cases. In that case, we can take a screenshot or else we can use a snipping tool and we can save that image in a folder. Clear? Because as it's a free account, they can't provide this many options for us, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So if we are getting any free access like this, then instead of going for pro, everyone can use with the less data, they can generate reports and they can utilize free access, right? So in this also we have an option called refresh. So how many times you can refresh means only one time you can refresh. whatever the data you have been visualized here, we have a refresh option here, right? So only once you can refresh. So it will shows you information. If you have modified filters or hidden fields, you may be replacing important data. Are you sure you want to proceed? So I can click on yes and I can proceed. So the data has been refreshed. Whatever things have been visualized, this will be saved. Save in the sense as we are in the working page, right? Here itself it saves, not in a database. Okay. Till now, which are the information you have been worked out, that will be saved. For example, by mistakenly, if you close your application, so again from starting, you can't do that, right? Yes or no? If by mistakenly, if you close your working page, then again you can't get it from backend if you don't save. So if you press a refresh, it will save your data, and if you by mistakenly close also, it will show the same data whenever you open again. Okay, so that's how your refresh option will be helpful to you. So this is what the data which have been updated in the Tableau. So you can see here, country I've made as a column, date, discount, month name, month number, product, segment, year. This is a segment here under discounts, gross sale, manufacturer price, profit, sale price, sales, unit of souls. So these are the 16 fields which I have, which it has been shown, and these are 700 rows which I have here. The data. So you can view the data from here itself. What are the data you have been updated? Clear? So rename. If you want to create a duplicate, you also do that. If you want to close, you can click on this. And if you want to edit data source filters, you can also do that. Data properties, edit. So you have export data CSV. So sheet 1 I want to export. So this is the worked page where I want to I got a sample. Okay. This is the worked file, right? So I can save that. So you got it. So it shows me exact figure 700 rows which have been got, right? Yes or no? If you want to confirm it, you can see here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 fields and 700 rows. Is that clear? So have we got the calculation?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So basically, we have extracted in this format.
Yes, but
Which
we
we
will not get
required.
any visualization here. But only the data, whatever we have been seeing, that data itself will be exported here.
Okay, okay.
So this report
Suppose we are
cannot be
using
exported.
so.
If it is in
Okay,
a
suppose.
paid version, that means Power Tableau desktop. Okay, if it is a Tableau desktop, means you can have these all options like sharing your report, or you can extract your all the data into the Excel format or any format. In Tableau desktop, you can do that. That's extra features you'll be getting from Tableau desktop.
Okay.
Sorry?
I suppose here we are using some formats like pie chart and all, and on that format our data, and then in the same format we are able to extract this.
Yeah. See, whatever the report you have been used, like it might be pie chart, bar chart, or any kind of chart it might be. Okay. If you want to extract in the same way, you can also do that. If you want to change this at final stage, if you want to change the report, okay, like for suppose present, I'll be selecting this. Okay, so now from start to end, I've been used this visualization itself. At final stage, I want to change this as this visualization. So I can click on this and then I can save my data. Like it might be a report or it might be transferring a report, anything it might be. So you can also change at final stage. Data will not be changed. The only thing will be changed here is visualization report will be changed. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
So if you require any map like background maps, background images, so if you want to edit locations, you can also do from here. You can browse. So do you have any doubts? Hello?
Not as of now.
See, as a BA, we doesn't require any in-depth of knowledge. So if you're going through the product-based companies, as I said, so there they'll expect more. Instead of going for 2 people, they can go with 1 people. So that's what they'll expect more.
Sir, you will be sharing this recording tomorrow?
Yes, yes. You'll be getting recording as well as the PPT of this thing which have been shown you.
Okay, done.
Clear?
So one more question, please.
Yes.
So at what stage BA needs to visualize the and what kind of the data he need
What
to
we have been
visualize?
done till now? What we have been done till now?
We have extracted the data and
Visualized, right?
visualized, or also we have extracted in some format.
Till that part we required. So till that part itself we require, that's it. Clear? Hello? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Yes.
So the one who has been asked questions, it's clear for you? Hello? Is there?
Yes, sir.
So till visualization part itself, it's more than enough. So because as a BA, we are not going with any coding language or programming language, right? Okay, as a BA, we have zero programming or zero coding language, right? So without having any coding language, like how we can go in depth of things? We can't, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So
sorry, I lost connection.
So just visualization part itself enough, not more than that. Extract the data and visualize the information what is available in a sheet and generate a report. That's it, not more than that.
Yes, I understand. But at what stage? I mean, like.
For example, client says that I have some data with me. You have to visualize that and generate reports.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Hi, I have any generalized question.
Yes.
In interview, does interviewer generally ask, have you worked with on this Power BI or Tableau in previous project? Because
They ask you that I have a basic knowledge on how to grab the data and how to visualize.
okay, what if since I am not a part of IT domain right now, so how come what would be the best excuse if I haven't worked on the any of that kind of data?
So just simply say them that I have been involved till documentation purpose. I have to get the requirements from my so-and-so head. Okay. So I used to document them. I used to model it. I used to communicate. So till this part I've been involved. So I have never used any reporting tool or visualization tool like this, but I do have some basic knowledge. So this says what is the basic knowledge you have. Then you can say I have a knowledge of how to extract the data and how to upload the data, visualize.
Okay, thanks.
Hello. Anyone else having doubts? Hello. So no doubts. Shall we end the session?
Sir, hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. What you have explained, I have just got it, but the question is like I have to practice this once, right? Once I practice, and if I have any problem, I can get back to you. Because this is very practical, isn't it? So I mean, I have to practice once. So if I can get the recording video.
Of this, no, whatever we've been discussed.
Sure, sure. Yes, I got that. But the thing is, like, if I have any problem, I can get back to you.
That I can't help you because.
No, that's fine. I completely got you. What I'm saying, like, once I practice practically, fine, I will have a few doubts, right?
Yeah.
I will be having a few doubts. If I have one of this problem, that's completely fine. And if I have any doubts, I can get back to you. That's what I'm asking.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Sure, sure, sir. Okay.
Still anyone? Shall we end the session?
Yes, for sure.
Thanks so much. Have a nice day. Be safe and do good. And all the best for your future purpose. Thank you.
Yes, sir.